This.
Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you with the. No, I will show you with the with this thing.
Ah.
So this is the problem when you don't wash, underneath. It's kinda build up the rust and started to eat. So the only thing we can do for this is to, clean, just clean a little bit and then put an anti-rust or anti-rust, what do you call this? An anti-rust converter. Rust converter, rust converter. And also the fuel lines here, look. This is very expensive, Fiona. This fuel lines.
What?
This fuel lines is very expensive.
What's it called?
Fuel lines.
Fuel.
Yeah. So we need to paint it, but if you paint it, it will, it will
Protect it.
protect it and it will go further. So I cannot see any hole yet, but you see, it's starting to build up. So but once we painted this thing, it's really good. The bad part is this. Also, yeah, and here as well. But if we will paint this, it will be okay,